Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to activate Qantas money card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Qantas.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the travel guide, flight deals, plans, book, fly and frequent flyer. And in the middle of the screen, we have a book a trip, where you can of course go and book a trip, of course, that you of course want. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and activate Qantas money card. So first of all, go to the website as I told you in the start of the video and log in to Qantas, of course. Then choose your Qantas money card from the list of cards associated with your account. You just need to go to the top right corner and click on your profile, and here you can go, on your account. That's the other option. You can go and change it here, and here you can go if you have membership cards and everything. So, in money cards and everything on there. Now choose your Qantas money card from the list as I told you. Then enter this 3-digit CFC number located on the back of your card. You'll be prompted to create a 4-digit card PIN. Choose a PIN and confirm it. Once you completed these steps, your card will be activated and ready to use. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.